Toyota is about to refresh the Tacoma for 2027, and the updates are significant enough to make buying the 2026 a decision you might regret. If you're currently shopping for a mid-sized truck and the Tacoma is on your list, this video is going to save you from making a very expensive mistake. Most people assume a mid-cycle refresh means a new paint color and a few tweaks, but what Toyota is bringing to the 2027 Tacoma covers everything from the powertrain and safety technology to the interior and off-road hardware, all without a meaningful price increase. Number 6. Facelift. The fourth-generation Tacoma hit the market for the 2024 model year. By the time the 2027 version arrives, this generation will be sitting right at the midpoint of its life cycle, and that's exactly when Toyota tends to make its move. Visual updates are going to be front and center. The 2027 Tacoma is expected to receive a completely redesigned front fascia, drawing from Toyota's latest design language. New headlights, narrower, sharper, featuring a C-shaped cluster design, are set to flank a reworked grille with a fresh pattern. The rear end is getting attention too, with a revised tailgate and updated taillights, giving the truck a more unified look from end to end. Here's something that matters more than people realize. A truck that looks dated loses resale value faster than one that looks current. When it comes time to sell or trade, buyers and dealers both notice. The 2027 styling refresh directly protects your investment before that conversation ever happens. And the 2027 Tacoma is holding on to something most competitors have quietly dropped: its full range of cab and bed configurations. The extra cab pairs with a 6-foot bed, while the double cab offers a choice between a 5-foot or 6-foot box. For anyone with specific hauling needs or someone who doesn't want to manage a full-size footprint every day, that flexibility still means something. A fresh look is a strong reason to wait, but a new face on the outside means very little if what's under the hood hasn't kept up. And that's where the 2027 Tacoma has some genuinely good news. Number 5. Powertrain Updates. The current Tacoma's engine lineup is already one of the stronger ones in the segment. The standard turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder produces 228 horsepower in entry-level form, climbing to 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque in iForce trim. Add the iForce Max Hybrid and you're at 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, figures that outclass several full-size competitors. The 2027 model is building on all of that. Both gas engines are expected to receive a modest power and torque increase, while the hybrid is being refined for better efficiency and more consistent performance, specifically the smoothness of transitions between electric and gas power, something current owners have flagged at lower speeds. Think about a situation most truck buyers have faced: merging onto a highway with a loaded bed or climbing a long grade while towing. The truck responds, but not quite as crisply as you'd like. That's exactly what the updated iForce Max is being tuned to address: more linear delivery, better response under load, and slightly better numbers at the pump. And for the enthusiasts, the 6-speed manual transmission is staying. At a time when nearly every other truck in this segment has gone automatic only, that's a genuine distinction and a major reason many buyers choose a Tacoma over everything else. Better powertrains make the truck more capable on the road, but you spend far more time inside the cab than you do thinking about the engine. And the 2027 is making changes there that are easy to overlook and hard to ignore once you notice them. Number 4. Interior changes. The Tacoma's current cabin is one of the more practical in its class. The layout is sensible, materials hold up well, and the execution is solid for the price point. Base models carry a 7-inch digital cluster and an 8-inch touchscreen, while higher trims step up to a 12.3-inch digital gauge display and an available 14-inch infotainment screen. The 2027 model is keeping those strengths and adding to them. New color schemes and updated materials are expected across multiple trim levels, and the infotainment system is receiving improvements in touch response, menu navigation, and smartphone integration. Wireless charging availability is also about to expand. Anyone who spends long hours in a truck knows how much the small things add up. A screen that lags mid-navigation, controls that require too much attention, a center console that's just slightly wrong. These are the friction points the 2027's interior updates are directly targeting. Better materials where your hands rest every day, and upper trim upholstery options that make a long day behind the wheel noticeably less tiring. What's not changing is the practical character of the cabin. Large climate controls, logical button placement, and a raised seating position that gives a clear view ahead. The 2027 refines a formula that already works, rather than rebuilding it from scratch. A better interior makes every drive more comfortable. But the Tacoma has always been about more than comfort, and when you see what Toyota is doing with the off-road lineup for 2027, you'll understand why this truck continues to leave its rivals with very few answers. Number 3. Off-road updates. No other midsize truck offers the off-road range that the Tacoma does. The lineup runs from the base SR through the TRD Pre-Runner, TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, Limited, Trail Hunter, and TRD Pro. 8 distinct trim levels, each targeting a different buyer and a different kind of terrain. The 2027 model is keeping every single one of those options. Most buyers shopping for off-road capability face a familiar frustration. The entry-level trail trim is too basic, but the serious hardware costs far more than needed. The Tacoma's tiered lineup solves that directly. There's a version for the occasional dirt road, one for regular trail use, and one for technical terrain that demands serious equipment. The TRD Pro and Trail Hunter are going to receive targeted hardware updates, suspension tuning, underbody protection refinements, and revised tire and wheel packages, keeping them ahead of what rivals are currently offering. The TRD Pro's disconnecting front anti-roll bar and remote reservoir dampers are already class-leading, and the 2027 is positioned to extend that advantage. The off-road credentials are impressive, but none of that capability matters as much if the truck isn't keeping you protected on the way to the trailhead, and the 2027 safety upgrades are more significant than the headlines suggest. Number 2. Safety Sense Updates. As one of Toyota's most important models in North America, the Tacoma is a priority vehicle for new safety technology. The 2027 refresh is bringing the latest generation of Toyota Safety Sense, and the differences from the current version are genuine. Forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking are already standard. In the 2027, the detection system is expanding its range and accuracy, including better identification of cyclists and pedestrians in low visibility conditions. Here's why that matters in practice. You're on a rural 2-lane road at dusk. A cyclist appears at the edge of your headlights with no warning. The older system flags it late. The updated system catches it sooner, giving both the truck and the driver more time to respond. That's not a spec sheet distinction. That's a real-world difference. Adaptive cruise control is also being refined. The new version accelerates and brakes more smoothly, eliminating the abrupt quality that leads many drivers to disengage the system on longer trips. Proactive driving assist is also coming, a background system that provides gentle steering and braking input before a situation escalates, working quietly until it's needed. All of these updates would normally come with a noticeably higher price tag, but that's where the 2027 Tacoma does something most manufacturers simply don't. Number 1. Minimal price increase. This is where the 2027 Tacoma becomes genuinely hard to argue against. With a refreshed design, improved powertrains, a better cabin, a refined off-road lineup, and an upgraded safety suite, a significant price increase would be completely understandable. That's not what the numbers are pointing toward. The 2026 Tacoma currently starts at around $33,000. Early estimates put the 2027 base model at around $33,500. Even if prices settle slightly higher on upper trims, the overall value equation is moving clearly in the buyer's direction. The 2027 Toyota Tacoma is arriving with a refreshed exterior that protects your resale value, stronger and more refined powertrains across both gas and hybrid variants, a more polished interior that makes daily use noticeably more pleasant, an off-road lineup that continues to outclass the segment in both depth and capability, a safety suite that's a full generation ahead of what the 2026 is offering, and a starting price that barely moves from where the current model sits today. Taken individually, each of these updates is a solid reason to hold off on buying now. Taken together, they make the case for waiting one of the clearest in the mid-sized truck segment right now. All these updates will certainly help Tacoma retain the market-leading position, but the competition is shaping up as well. The Nissan Frontier looks appealing in particular, and you can check it out in our next video. From the new plug-in hybrid powertrain to the off-road version that finally gets turbocharged, the Frontier is ready to expand the range of its customers significantly.